Top 10 Beautiful Curves Created by Nature. After thousands of years of exploration, study, practice, and experimentation, mankind has created many beautiful things, which have greatly improved human lives, such as buildings, bridges, planes, ships, trains, telephones, and mobile phones, sculptures, paintings, music, dance, calligraphy, literature, drama, film, television, etc. In the above-mentioned fields, there have been countless wise predecessors. They have made outstanding contributions to humanity, leaving behind countless works, the immortal works of weeping angels. However, there are also great works created by nature inadvertently. They are so beautiful, so miraculous, one cannot help feeling emotional in their presence. One cannot help but ask, is there really a God in this world? Today, let's take a look at some of the most amazing and beautiful curves in nature. Number 3, the curvy beauty of the Sahara Desert. Between the green land and the blue sea, there exists a yellow in the middle, the beautiful and vast Sahara Desert. It is a place where only the brave dare to tread, its beauty being both the atmosphere and the vicissitudes. The Sahara Desert is the most sunny and largest desert in the world. The climate is quite extreme and it is one of the most ill-suited places for growth on Earth. The Sahara Desert was formed about 2.5 million years ago. It is the world's largest sandy desert with an area of about 9.06 million square kilometers. Its size accounts for about 1/3 of the total area of Africa. It is the third most wild place on Earth, losing only to the South and North Pole. Its area is almost as large as the United States with its 9.37 million square kilometers. With that size, it could almost fit the entirety of Europe in itself. The Sahara Desert covers the northern part of Africa. It stretches about 5,600 kilometers from east to west and 1,600 kilometers from north to south. It covers almost all of northern Africa and spans 12 countries. The whole of Egypt is in the Sahara Desert as well. Its main residents are Arabs and is home to Berbers too. The Sahara Desert is shaped like a quarter moon. Its broad side is always facing the wind. Its crescent curve will change with the strength of the wind, unevenly arranged and jumping, big and small, ups and downs, bright and dark, like wave after wave of dancing golden ribbons. Looking at the horizon, the skies are connected, boundless, and the momentum is like that of a rainbow. The Sahara Desert is endless and powerful. It is eclectic and curvaceous, forever flowing with the wind. Number 2, Brazil's Thousand Lakes Desert and its unpredictable curvy beauty. Brazil's most beautiful Thousand Lakes Desert. It is found in the Lençóis Maranhenses National Park. Established by the Brazilian government in 1981, it covers an area of 1,500 square kilometers. When people think of deserts, they think of high temperatures, heat waves, thirst, and drought. But the Thousand Lakes Desert is different. It overturns all the typical conventions of deserts, going in the complete opposite direction. The Thousand Lakes Desert is able to defy the norm because of its special geographic location. It is very close to the Amazon rainforest, with the rainy season coming in from January to June. The clouds of the Amazon rainforest end up floating to the desert, providing ample precipitation. There are two larger rivers on the edge of the desert. Under the influence of winds and tides, the rain falls. Then, the water in the river overflows and rushes into the sand. The power of nature pushes sand and water into a certain position. They are molded into various shapes, forming lagoons. However, these lagoons are short-lived. For 1 year, it looks like this. The next year, it could be completely different. The crystal of the lake is lucid and translucent. In the sunlight, the water emits blue, light green, orange, and magenta colors, intertwined with the white swaying sand. Along with the odd-shaped edges, it looks spectacular. This is the one and only scene to see here. The pools in these deserts are densely packed, and the shapes are also strange. There are big and small. The smallest puddles are only a few meters wide. On the other hand, the largest sand lake is more than 90 meters wide. The depth can reach about 3 meters, typical lagoon style. The lake can be clear, blue, or green. Sometimes it is reddish-brown because the bottom of the lake is covered with algae. When you feel the heat, you can go plunge yourself into the lake to cool off. By jumping into the lake, one can avoid the hot terror of the desert. It's hard to imagine that Brazil or anywhere else on Earth would have such a place. Deserts and lakes, barrenness and swimming fish, all contradictions yet mixed together. All the extreme scenery gets to meet together here. Although it is a desert, the annual precipitation is very high, 300 times that of the Sahara Desert. The climate is cool all year round, with the highest temperature being around 30 degrees Celsius. It is said to be the wettest desert in the world. July is the most active time here. At this time, some lagoons will be connected to nearby rivers. As a result, many fish will temporarily swim between the bodies of water. Think about it. With both water and fish, can you really call it a desert? The desert you see every year will be different. After October, the desert enters the dry season, and the lakes will shrink or even disappear. Then, you will have to wait for the next rainy season. Only then will the desert restore its Thousand Lakes appearance. So the best time to go to Brazil's Thousand Lakes desert is from May to October. You can go hiking in the desert, go paragliding or fishing. Fish, turtles, clams, and more are waiting in the lake for you. The endless white desert, dotted with beautiful lakes, like a huge white bedsheet inlaid with various gemstones. Thousands of lakes in Brazil's desert, full of unpredictable, curvaceous beauty. Number 1. Iceland's stunning northern lights, glaciers, and diamond coast curves. Mysterious Iceland, a magical world. Iceland is a country favored by God. She is highly ranked in the world's leading travel magazine media by thousands of senior travel experts. Countless travel enthusiasts all over the world consider it to be one of the best places to go. Her extremely unique natural beauty, northern lights, glaciers, and the black coastline of diamond beaches, so stunning and exciting. Linger here and forget about all your worries. People say that everywhere in Iceland is like a painting. Only the countries near the North and South Poles can see the aurora. The countries that can see the northern lights include Iceland, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Denmark, Greenland, Canada, Russia, and the United States. Iceland is the only country that has a panoramic view of the northern lights. The aurora is actually a large-scale discharge process happening around the Earth. Charged particles from the Sun arrive near Earth. Earth's magnetic field exerts a force on some of them. They are concentrated to the north and south poles along the magnetic field lines. They then enter the upper atmosphere. Here, they collide with atoms and molecules to excite the aurora. The general viewing time of the northern lights starts around the end of August. It is necessary to avoid light pollution during the beginning of winter. If there is no wind, the moonlight will weaken the brightness of the aurora. Every year, the aurora appears from late August to mid-April. It appears for 8 months of the year, which is nearly 300 days. In this period of time, the northern lights of Iceland can be viewed. The aurora flashes fast in the night sky, like the coming of a mysterious messenger. The northern lights undulate in the night sky. They are colored green, blue, purple, pink, and yellow. She runs quietly in the sky, like a shy girl. She dances elegantly amidst the background of icebergs, lakes, beaches, and houses, all looming in the stream. A colorful figure is projected out of the rotating light. The alternating light and dark makes people feel like they're floating in a fairyland. If you ask Icelanders which area is worth visiting, their answer will probably be southeastern Iceland. The reason is this beautiful lake full of crystal clear ice. The lake is known as the Jökulsárlón. She is a natural lagoon formed at the mouth of the southeast edge of the Vatnajökull. Vatnajökull National Park is Iceland's largest national park. It is also its most famous national park, being full of natural wonders. It is the largest treasure trove of Iceland's natural beauty, and the Jökulsárlón Glacier Lake is undoubtedly the most dazzling gem in this dazzling crown. As the glaciers melted and collapsed, the ice blocks continued to float on the beach. They then went under the waves of the North Atlantic Ocean. Over time, the ice blocks grew more white and clear. Thus, a beautiful diamond beach was formed. The ice cubes come in different shapes and sizes, shining under the sunlight. They reflect the dazzling and charming light like diamonds. The black and white scenery is truly beautiful. The glacial lake is connected to the ocean. As such, the mixing of the salt water and fresh water gives the lake a unique color. The ice cubes come in 3 colors: dark blue, white, and black. Dark blue cubes are old and dry ice cubes with a long history. Because they are squeezed for a long time, the internal structure is dense and airless. After reflecting sunlight, they appear blue. The transparent ice cubes are younger and take a relatively shorter time to form. They also contain gas. The black lines come from being stained with volcanic ash. 3 independent elements, ice, river, and lake meet in the same area. The result is this unique sight. Used as a set piece in these movies: Tomb Raider and Batman Begins. Seen in 2 James Bond movies as well: Die Another Day and A View to Kill. To have been shot and filmed in movies, the place is really impressive. The flowing and mysterious northern lights, the various assorted ice diamonds, the strangely shaped glaciers, and the black and white coastline, all of it constitutes the unique and curvaceous natural beauty of Iceland. Today's video is finished. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.